Hey there, Dana Damara. How are you today? I'm the creator and founder of Embodied Truth Yoga School, and I am excited to announce that I will be back in the Bay Area October 5th, and I'll be leading a workshop called Mysticism and Ritual. I'll be doing that workshop at Yoga Flow SF on Union Street and the Marina from 9 to 2:45. And again, like with all the workshops, you can come to the all day 9 to 2:45 and get really immersed in the content, or feel free to just come to the Asana Workshop from 12:45 to 2:45. So this in particular workshop, Mysticism and Ritual, is really powerful for me. It goes all the way back to growing up in a Catholic home and watching my grandmother pray every day, multiple times a day with her rosary, and, you know, having her crosses around the house and her holy water and throwing salt over her shoulder, and understanding that all of these things meant something to her, but not really knowing what it all meant. And then diving into the practices of yoga, not just the asana, but the deep, rich content of what really goes behind these practices was powerful for me. And creating a sense of ritual for me personally brings me closer to God, to divine, to spirit, to source, to the universe, whatever you want to call it. It brings me closer to that spot in my heart that that connects to everything. And I feel like mysticism is actually something that's missing on the planet. We're so up here in our heads, and we're so, you know, planning things out and strategizing, that we're forgetting how important it is to not know everything. And I get in that too. I get in that phase too. And I feel like coming back to some of the richness of these practices is really important. And whether or not you share it as a teacher isn't important. What is important is that you embed some of this into the heart, and remember that we're just all spiritual beings walking around and trying to navigate this human experience. So I hope you join me. I'm going to share little tools that you can do every day, create an altar, how to use essential oils in your practice, certain prayers and rituals, certain deities to call in for certain reasons, things like that. And then how to really create a strong practice for yourself every day to stay connected. So I hope you can join me. Again, it's October 5th, Saturday at Yoga Flow SF on Union Street, 9 to 2:45. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at Instagram or Facebook at Dana Damara Evolution, or you can email me at dana@danadamara.com. So I hope you're having an incredible day, and I hope to see you soon. Namaste.